In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the proof of the quadratic equation, and it's based upon completing the square. So I'll start with a times x squared plus b times x plus c, and set this all equal to 0. The very first thing I have to do is get rid of that a, and I do that by multiplying both sides of the equation by 1 divided by a, the left-hand side and the right-hand sides of the equation. I'm going to rewrite the equation so it's a times x squared divided by a plus b times x divided by a plus c divided by a, which is equal to 0. The a's cancel out, so I have x squared plus b divided by a times x plus c divided by a, all equal to 0. Now I want to move that c divided by a to the other side of the equation, or the other side of that equal sign. So I subtract c divided by a from both sides of the equation. I have x squared plus b divided by a times x. The c divided by a's on the left-hand side of the equation cancel out. So now I have negative c divided by a on the right-hand side of the equation. So now I'm going to complete the square. I'm going to focus on that b divided by a. When I complete the square, I always like to make a little box to work in. I label it completing the square. I take 1/2 times b divided by a. Then I take that and I square the whole thing, which gives me b squared divided by 4a squared. And I add that to both sides of the equation. So I have x squared plus b times x plus b squared divided by 4a squared. And this is equal to negative c over a plus b squared divided by 4a squared. Now I'm going to factor the left-hand side of the equation, and that would be x plus b over 2a, all that squared. And this is equal to negative c over a plus b squared divided by 4a squared. I'm going to add negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. It turns out the least common denominator is 4a, so I multiply the top and bottom times 4a. 4a times a is 4a squared. Now I have negative 4ac, and what I did is I multiplied the 4a times negative c plus b squared, all divided by 4a squared. Now I take the square root of both sides. On the left-hand side, I have x plus b divided by 2a. And on the right-hand side, I can factor out or square out 2a. So 4a squared, the square root of that is 2a. That leaves me with the square root of b squared minus 4ac. I just swap those terms. So now I have to continue on. Now I want to isolate that x by itself, and to do that I subtract b divided by 2a from both sides of the equation. So now I have x on the left-hand side, and this is equal to negative b divided by 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. These two denominators are the same, so I can add them together. add and subtract them together, actually. Now I have x is equal to minus b, and I'm getting that minus there, or negative b, I should say, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. And that is the quadratic equation. Finally.